Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 6 best kitchen gadgets. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. KitchenAid All-Purpose Kitchen Shears with Protective Sheath Durable Stainless Steel Scissors, Dishwasher Safe, Soft Grip Comfort Handle, 8.72-inch, black. Material Stainless Steel. Brand KitchenAid. Blade Material Stainless Steel. Product Dimensions 8.73-inch x 3.62W. Premium stainless steel blades, built to resist rust and maintain sharpness. These stainless steel blades easily cut through everyday kitchen items like vegetables, herbs, meat, and packaging with clean, precise cuts. Enhanced cutting performance, featuring micro-serrated edges, the blades offer a superior grip on food and materials, minimizing slips for effortless, smooth cutting every time. Extra thick blades add strength and durability, ideal for frequent use. Soft, comfort grip handle, designed for extended use, the handle provides a comfortable, secure grip with a soft, non-slip coating, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring control while cutting. Number 2. Cisily Black Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink. Sink Caddy Organizer with High Brush Holder, Kitchen Countertop Organizers and Storage Essentials, Rust-Proof 304 Stainless Steel, Soap Dispenser Organize. Rotatable Spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume, Cisily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25-inch * 3.97 * 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes, with the Cisily Sink Caddy you can save countertop space perfectly. Premium sturdy material, Cisily Kitchen Sink Organizer is made of premium stainless steel which can effectively prevent rust and deformation. And you can clean it easily by rinsing it under a running tap. Take the clutter out of your countertops. Reasonable divider design, the sponge holder for kitchen sink ergonomic divider design allows it to have 3 separate storage spaces. Different items are placed in different areas. Make the most of every inch of space and make your kitchen look cleaner. Number 3. Bamboo Cutting Board. Durable wood cutting boards for kitchen with deep juice grooves and built-in handles, ideal charcuterie and chopping for meat, vegetables, and fruits. Ideal kitchen gifts. KitchenAid offers a versatile set with sizes including 15 by 10 inches, 12 by 8 inches and 9 by 6 inches. Accommodating all your cutting needs from meats and vegetables to fruits and breads. This variety ensures you always have the perfect board for any task. Our cutting boards undergo a thermal treatment at 500 degrees Fahrenheit 260 degrees Celsius, a process known as carbonization. This treatment enhances the bamboo's stability, significantly reduces moisture absorption, and gives the board a rich, dark hue that complements any kitchen decor. Experience unparalleled durability with KitchenAid's cutting board set, which uses a cross-laminated technique. Each layer of bamboo is precisely interlocked to create a robust structure that resists warping and cracking. KitchenAid's cutting board set is crafted from sustainably harvested quality bamboo forests. Bamboo grows quickly and a single bamboo can be harvested multiple times. Known for its natural strength and eco-friendliness, our bamboo provides a durable and environmentally responsible choice for your kitchen. Number 4. Stainless Steel Meat Injector. Syringe kit with 4 marinade needles for barbecue grill smoker, 2-ounce large capacity, both paper user manual and ebook recipe. Brand Fargo. Material stainless steel. Product dimensions 6.8-inch x 1.2W. Item volume 2 fluid ounces. Sterility rating non-sterile. Safe kitchen / barbecue tool, stainless steel for meat injector barrel / syringe plunger / meat needles, silicone for O-ring seals, food safe for parts touching marinade / food ingredients, to keep your family safe and healthy. Leak and heavy duty for years, culinary stainless steel metallic, a little heavy injector syringe, sturdy meat injector needles, easily to pierce the toughest cuts of meats or poultry, silicone basting pastry brush working well in high cooking/grilling temperature range. Juicy, tender and yummy for every bite, our food injector is solidly built to last to intensify flavors of Thanksgiving/Christmas turkey, beef brisket, pork, lamb, chicken, goose, duck. Inject jelly/pudding into donuts, rum into strawberries, brine into home-cured meats, practical for kitchen tools, holidays, barbecue, grill, family party, bonfire party. Number 5. OTOTO, the original Nessie ladle, soup ladle. Cute gifts, funny kitchen gadgets, Loch Ness design, cooking gifts for mom, cute and practical kitchen utensils, unique gifts for women. Color, blue. Material, plastic. Brand, OTOTO. Style Nessie, turquoise. Your beast friend from the OTOTO studio comes cute and functional Nessie. Scoop from the depths of the pot and serve into bowls of fun with this purple ladle spoon. Nessie, the nifty spoon always adds a bit of fun into every kitchen. A quirky little treat looking for new home gift ideas for your loved ones? Or funny kitchen gadgets to add to your collection? Nessie ladle design adds the kitsch to every kitchen. Serve soups, gravies, and more with this cute kitchen gadget friend. A necessary tool. Get crackin' with fun kitchen gadgets like Nessie, your soup ladle friend. This beast can take the heat with its heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe material. Perfect for all kinds of scooping, this kitchen tool is a must-have. Always on standby, Nessie is always up and ready to use. Have Nessie by your side while you cook and serve your meals. A big fan of animal-shaped utensils? You and Nessie are meant to be. https://amzn.to/4pgxqdn. Number 6. Imarku Chef Knife 7-inch Kitchen Knife. Ultra Sharp Santoku Knife 7cr17 MOV Japanese Chef's Knife. Kitchen Gadgets 2025, Apartment Essentials, Birthday Gifts for Immer, Best Gifts for Women Men. Blade Material High Carbon Stainless Steel. Brand Imarku. Color A brown. Handle Material Pakawood. Blade Edge Hollow. Professional Santoku Knife. This Imarku Super Sharp Santoku Knife is made of Japanese HC stainless steel that resists rust, corrosion, and discoloration. It can be used for your daily kitchen tasks of chopping, slicing, dicing, and mincing of all kinds of meat, vegetables, fruits, and bread. It is suitable for both home and restaurant kitchens. Ultra sharp edge, sharpness is key. The professional knife blade polishing makes this Japanese knife be more sharper than others, and it has been proven its ability to withstand the rigors of tough restaurant use. The thickness of this kitchen knife is 2.5 millimeters. Its hand-polished edge is 15 to 18 degrees per side, which is sturdy and sharp to get the job done perfectly. Hollow edge design. The 7-inch Santoku Chef Knife scalloped hollow edges add gap between the knife blade and the material being cut, keeping things from sticking to the knife blade, special for slicing, dicing, and mincing. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.